Like a diminutive Borg ship, the Amazon Fire TV Cube has arrived in orbit, and millions of people are likely ready to be assimilated with little or no resistance. And for good reason. As TV streamers go, the Cube looks like it may be the ultimate weapon for cord cutters and also cable box users. Why? Because the Fire TV Cube will actually work in tandem with your cable box and a lot of other gear through HDMI CEC, an intergalactic, or at least digital device-friendly, communication system that allows you to chat up the Cube TV and have it work your TV, cable box, streaming apps, and other connected devices. But that's just the start. The Cube also features 4K HDR video output for pushing the latest TVs to their limits, and of course Alexa is waiting for your every command and TV show search request. The new Fire TV Cube will run $120 or just $90 if you're a Prime member. Ships on June 21st. It's been a while since there was some drone news in the news, but DT emerging tech editor Drew Prindle recently got a close-up look at a new drone from Parrot called the Anafi. Looking a bit like a dragonfly, the Anafi features a slim fold-up design and a 4K camera with HDR for some impressive video performance. But get this. While other video drones can only look forward and down, the Anafi's 4K camera is on this 3-axis gimbal that also allows it to look up, like straight up. It also packs some zoom capability for a bit more variety in your shots. In still modes, the camera features a big 21 megapixel sensor. You can use your phone to fly the drone or use it as a video monitor with the dedicated remote. And Parrot says the Anafi has over a 2-mile range in clear conditions and 25 minutes of flight time on a battery. It's $700 for the basic package, and you can pre-order yours now. Parrot says the new drone will start shipping in about 3 weeks. Check out Drew's first look for more details. From little flying machines to much bigger ones, here's some flight footage from some of the first test flights of the Kitty Hawk Flyer. No, not that one. This Kitty Hawk Flyer. That's Kitty Hawk CEO Sebastian Thrun at the controls of the modern-day Flyer, an electric aircraft that looks like a cross between a drone, a soapbox racer, and a seaplane. But hey, it's in the air and flying. The Flyer uses 10 rotors for lift and can fly at this time for about 20 minutes at 20 miles an hour. But Thrun says future aircraft will be much faster and with much more range and will hopefully help to clear up ground traffic as people take to the air in droves. Yeah, well, sounds awesome, but we won't hold our breath on that one. Anyway, there will likely be many more Kitty Hawk machines as the outfit has essentially bottomless funding since it's a passion project supported by Google bazillionaire Larry Page. Check out the whole video at the link and get the rest of the day's tech news at digitaltrends.com. Hop on over to our Facebook page and YouTube channel and tune in live at 2:30 p.m. Pacific today for our Roundtable Tech podcast, Trends with Benefits. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.